Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is a very hot property. Independent house, walkable from Outer Ring Road, very prime locality in Banaswadi Hormao area. 40 by 30 land area, that is 40 on the road and 30 is the depth. East facing house, owner built property. This was built in 2016. Own use. Teakwood doors, car portico, landscaping is there outside. Foyer area, from there you enter into the living room. This is the beautiful living room. There are two halls. This is a formal living. There is another family hall on top on the first floor. Neatly designed 3 BHK duplex house with 4 bathrooms and additional utility hall on the terrace. Granite flooring. Semi-furnished house. 12 pillars are there. This is the living room. Beautiful wallpaper, large windows, partition. There is also skylight in the entrance. This is the dining area. Ground floor layout is very neat. Hall, foyer, dining with this double high ceiling, direct skylight coming into the dining area in the center of the house. Kitchen in the southeast corner. The property also east facing property. So most of the house, as it is a 40 feet frontage, has exposure towards the road, 30 feet wide tar road. Kaveri water is there, CMC water is there, own borewell is there. Right next to kitchen there is a large long utility area. Compound wall is made right around the property. Modular kitchen comes semi-furnished. For windows he has used red sal, 12 pillar construction, stainless steel railing, solid cement blocks, GM switches, Finolex wires, Jaguar brand bathroom fittings. So this is the first bedroom with attached bathroom on the ground floor. Inside bedroom he has used vitrified flooring, granite flooring for the common area. Clear title property, DC conversion is done. Presently it has BBMP B Khata, loan documents, clear document property. Now we'll go to the first floor. For the staircase also he has used granite, stainless steel railing. First floor, this is the gallery. Looking below with glass has been used, glass cubes on the wall. Ceiling also glass cubes have been used. On this first floor you have a large family hall, 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. This is the family hall with TV unit. This is the balcony right in the northeast corner, which the seller has converted into puja room. This was balcony in the original plan, then later he modified it into puja room as per Vastu, that is right northeast corner. This is the second bedroom. Double windows, wardrobe, attached bathroom, dressing area. This is the dressing area, attached bathroom. Some of the movable furniture will be taken out by the owner, whereas fixed furniture and interior work will be included in the deal. Once you have a visit, you can discuss about the furnishing included and not included. Very reasonable price. This property was already posted on our website ebangaloreproperty.com few days back. Today I am posting the video. This is the master bedroom in the southwest with attached bathroom. is the wallpaper. Many people keep asking for owner built properties, so this is one of the good options. Bathrooms required some deep cleaning, and one coat of painting is all you need for making this house yours. So this is the master bathroom. Now let's go to the terrace floor. There is a proposed metro station which is just 500 meters from this property. The outer ring road itself is about 300 meters from this property. Fully developed populated area, all amenities are there. This is the terrace. So the owner is maintaining a beautiful garden here. This is the storeroom. Covered storeroom. There is also another hall which the seller is using to conduct classes. So this is the waterproof hall here, neatly covered. It's a very good deal, friends, in this main area of Hormao Banaswadi. This side Manyata Tech Park, other side Baipanalli and Tin Factory, Hoodi ITPL. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.